We're now going to look at a resource called text. In previous Moodle version, this resource used to be called label, but in the Moodle 4.0 version and upwards, it is now referred to as text. So let's go ahead. First, let's turn editing on. Okay, so I'm going to have it in my topic number 3. So our topics don't have names. You can also give your topic a name by clicking on this pen here, and you're able to type there. So I'm going to click text resource. You can name it whatever, just press enter. Make sure you press enter, and then the text you're typing inside will take effect. So let's go to add activity or resource. Back to resources, and right here we have text and media area. That is it. I'm going to click on it. So whatever text you want to appear, whatever media you want, you can use text to upload a media. You can use text to type anything. So for example, with our small text here, I can have let me see, what analog computer, no, okay, may not do much, but there was something to do with advantages or disadvantages or something. Characteristics of computers. Okay, let me just say introduction to computers. Introduction to computers, and then I'm gonna add an image right there. Let me just pick randomly, choose file. Do I have an image? I think I have some images here, like this one. Let me open it, upload. Perfect. It's all huge, so let me scale it down to 600, something like that. I'm going to have it in the middle and save image. So once it's, remember this here, an image must have a description unless it's for decorative purpose only. So let me just say decorative. I don't want to put in description. Say image. Yep, there we are. There's the image. So let me format my text here as bold. I can even look at the 3 dots here. You click on it, it moves down, and you will see more options. So let me move it to center, and I think that's okay. So save and return to course. So you can see under this topic, introduction to computer, I have a very nice text and a very nice image there, and then I can continue. You can use this resource especially to introduce your course. If you're building a Moodle course, this is something you can use to give it a very nice introduction, put images there, and you'll have a nice flow. So that is how you use text resource in the Moodle Sandbox course or any Moodle platform.